Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s over n. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. And you got about the s over n, because first the derivative of s you got about number 1. That's why we have the s over n. Because we don't have 1 over n next to the s, so I will put n go to the left. This one we change by u. The s we change by this one. The integration of e to the power of u du, you got about e to the power of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about s over n, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.